Okay, children. Today in this class, let us discuss the introduction to trigonometry. In this one, here we will discuss the trigonometric ratios of given triangle. Before going to that one, here let us understand what is meant by trigonometry. Here, trigonometry, this name itself tells us trigonometry. Trigonometry. Here, this tri means three. Tri means what? Three. And gono means sides. Gono means sides. Metry means measurement. Metry means measurement. It means the trigonometry, the name tells us to measure the three sides of a triangle. Three sides measurement. A triangle is having three sides, so we have to measure the three sides of the triangle. So trigonometry is the measure of three sides. So how to measure them? By using the scale or by using any other application. Here we have to measure the trigonometric. Let us discuss the trigonometric ratios. Here trigonometric ratios means we have to take the any two sides ratio among the given triangle. Here ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. With reference to any one of the angle, here I will take angle A as the reference angle. If I take this angle as the reference angle and it is an acute angle, so acute angles are always represented by using the symbol theta. So here I have represented the angle A as theta, so I am using this angle as the reference angle. Before going to discuss the ratio of these sides, here I have my name to identify me. I have a name. So in the same way, when we take the ratio of the sides of this triangle, they have given some names. Those are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Like that we have given the names. Those are just names, they are nothing but anything else. So with reference to this one and the angle, the side which is opposite to the right angle, we know it, this is always hypotenuse, right? It is hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse and hypotenuse, and here I have taken the reference angle as theta. So this angle opposite side is BC. So this side is called opposite side. This side is called what? Opposite side with reference to A. And this side AB is the side which is adjacent to the angle theta, which is adjacent to it. So this is called adjacent side. It is called adjacent side. Is that clear? So when we take the angle A as the reference angle, the angle A opposite, here I have considered this angle as theta. So theta opposite side is BC, so it is the opposite side, and AB is the adjacent to it, so it is called adjacent side. And we know that right angles opposite side is always hypotenuse. So with the reference to this all these sides, we have to find the trigonometric ratios. Let us write the trigonometric ratios by using all these sides. Trigonometric ratios. Here we are writing the trigonometric ratios by using the ratio of the sides of this triangle. Here let us take the first ratio. Here if I take the first ratio, that is opposite side and hypotenuse, the ratio between opposite and hypotenuse, if I take the ratio between these two, then it is called sine. So sine theta. Sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is which one? BC. BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, we can write the next ratio. If we take the ratio between adjacent side to the hypotenuse, then what it is called? Adjacent to hypotenuse, then it is called, the name given for that one, cos theta. So, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, the name given for this one is cos theta. So, adjacent is AB divided by hypotenuse is again AC. Hypotenuse is again AC. Here we have taken opposite to hypotenuse, adjacent to hypotenuse. Let us take opposite to adjacent. Opposite to adjacent, if we take the ratio between these two, then it is called tan theta, or it is called a tangent theta. Opposite divided by adjacent side. The ratio between these two is called a tangent theta. So here opposite side is BC divided by opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Is that clear? In this way we can write the trigonometric ratios. Here I have written the three trigonometric ratios. If we take the reciprocal of all these three, then we are going to get the next three. If I take the reciprocal of this one, that is cosec theta, name given for that one is cosec theta. The reciprocal of sine is cosec theta, name given for that one is cosec theta, that is 1 by sine theta is equals to, here 1 divided by BC by AC. So this is equals to AC by BC. AC by BC. It means cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Next one, if we take the reciprocal of cos is secant. So secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is 1 by AB by AC. 1 by AB by AC. Take the reciprocal of this one, this becomes AC divided by AB. AC by AB. It means what? Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. If we take the reciprocal of tan, then it becomes cot. It is called cot theta. So cot theta is equals to 1 divided by tan theta. So 1 divided by tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. Here BC by AB. So this is equals to AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. In this way, we can write the 6 trigonometric ratios by using one right angle triangle with reference to angle theta. With reference to angle theta. By taking next, if we take the reference angle as a C, then how to write then the side changes. Here BC becomes adjacent side and AB become opposite side. Let us see that one also, childrens. Okay, childrens, now let us take the next here, theta as acute angle as C. Acute angle as C. If we take this one as a theta, then its opposite side is which one? AB becomes the opposite side. Its adjacent side becomes which one? Its adjacent side becomes BC. Again hypotenuse remains same. It is opposite to the right angle. So let us write the all 6 trigonometric ratios. So 6 trigonometric ratios by using angle theta as the reference angle. Here if we use this angle as the reference angle, then how they changes their ratios? Let us see it. So opposite by hypotenuse, sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. It becomes AB by AC. AB by AC. So sin theta is equals to opposite divided by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Next, let us write the next trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta. If cos theta is equals to what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, then it becomes BC by AC. it becomes BC by AC. Next one is tan theta. If we write the tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. So opposite is AB divided by adjacent is BC. So it becomes AB by BC. To write the next three trigonometric ratios, again we have to use the same procedure. Take the reciprocal of all these, then it becomes cosec theta is what? 1 by sin theta. So it becomes 1 by AB by AC. So this is equals to AC by AB. This is equals to AC by AB. So cosec theta is equals to AB by AC by AB. Likewise, sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is 1 by BC divided by AC. So this is equals to AC divided by BC. AC divided by BC. So let us write the next one, cot theta. So cot theta is what? Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So tan theta, this is equals to 1 divided by tan theta is what? AB by BC. So AB divided by BC, this is equals to BC by AB. So it is cot theta is adjacent side divided by opposite side. In this way, we can write all the 6 trigonometric ratios with the reference of acute angle A or acute angle C. If we take A, then the side changes opposite and adjacent. If we take C, then side changes adjacent and opposite. Hypotenuse is always remains same. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we can write by using the triangle ABC with right angled at B. This is the theory. How to write these by using the tricks? Let us see that one. Here the tricks to write the all 6 trigonometric ratios. Here a simple trick is there. Without referencing, without using triangle, we can write the 6 trigonometric ratios. That is yes, sine means yes. Sin theta, we know that it is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So it is next cos is adjacent by hypotenuse CAH. So tan is opposite divided by adjacent. So in this way, by writing the 9 letters word SOHCAHTOA. By using these tricks also we can write the 6 trigonometric ratios. Here S stands for sine. S stands for sine and O stands for opposite and H stands for hypotenuse. H stands for hypotenuse. So it means what? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Likewise here C stands for cos. C stands for cos and A stands for adjacent and H stands for hypotenuse. H stands for hypotenuse. Likewise here also T stands for tan. T stands for tan and O stands for opposite and A stands for again adjacent. A stands for again adjacent. This is the trick to write the 6 trigonometric ratios. If you take the reciprocal of this one, it is cos. So cos is what? 1 by sine. 1 by sine. It becomes hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. Take the reciprocal of cos, then it becomes, this is cosec and sec. Sec is what? 1 by cos. So this is equals to what? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. If you take the reciprocal of tan, then it is cot. So cot is equals to 1 by tan. So this is nothing but it is adjacent divided by opposite. In this way also we can write these 6 trigonometric ratios by using a simple trick or by using the right angle triangle. which one is easier for you? You can refer any one among these two children's, which one becomes easy.